When your agency starts juggling multiple clients, projects, and deadlines, things can get messy fast. You need a project management tool that keeps everyone organized without turning into a complicated system no one wants to use. Two platforms that often come up for agencies looking for something clean and client-friendly are Basecamp and Teamwork. Both are designed to simplify collaboration, but they approach it in very different ways. Let's start with Basecamp. Basecamp is all about simplicity. It is built to reduce clutter and communication chaos. When you open a project in Basecamp, you see a clean layout with everything in one place: messages, tasks, files, and schedules. There are no extra tabs or confusing dashboards. It is made for teams that want less management and more doing. Each project includes to-do lists, message boards, document sharing, and automatic check-ins, so you can replace long status meetings with quick updates. The interface is calm and minimal, which makes it easy for clients to use too. They can log in, see progress, and comment without getting lost in technical details. Basecamp also avoids feature overload. It does not try to be an enterprise-level system. Instead, it focuses on clear communication, accountability, and keeping projects moving without endless setup or training. Now let's talk about Teamwork. Teamwork is a bit more structured and feature-rich while still being approachable. It is built with agencies in mind, especially those that need time tracking, billing, and client permissions all in one place. You can manage tasks, assign deadlines, log billable hours, and even generate invoices directly from your projects. The platform is great for tracking who is doing what and when. Unlike Basecamp, Teamwork offers advanced project views like Gantt charts, workload management, and detailed reports. That makes it perfect for agencies that want more control over project planning and resource management without diving into something overly complex. Clients can also be added with restricted access, so they only see what you want them to see, keeping your internal planning private while still keeping them in the loop. When comparing the two, think of Basecamp as the easygoing option and Teamwork as the strategic one. Basecamp shines for smaller teams or creative agencies that value simplicity and client collaboration over analytics. It keeps everyone connected and focused without too much structure. Teamwork, on the other hand, is ideal for agencies that need to track budgets, hours, and performance while managing multiple projects at once. It provides more depth and scalability if your agency is growing or working with several clients simultaneously. In the end, it depends on how your team works best. For pure simplicity and client-friendly communication, Basecamp is tough to beat. For deeper project control and financial tracking, Teamwork is the smarter choice. Either way, both will help your agency stay organized, deliver projects on time, and keep your clients happy without drowning in complexity.